In this video, I will show you how you can connect Spaceship domain to Netlify. So this is really easy. Firstly, make sure to click on Launchpad and you want to go to your domain manager. So from here you can copy your domain and you can also click on it, and then we will go to name servers and then DNS. But before that, I'm going to open Netlify and you want to click on project for which you want to connect this domain. So I will choose this first one, then domain management on the left side, and then click on add domain. Add the domain you already own. Then paste the domain from Spaceship, click on verify, and it was found, so we can connect it. Then click on add domain. And you want to add those two DNS records. So if you click on this pending DNS verification, from here you can see you can either add or create alias record or a record. So I will create this a record. So this is a, the type of the record, and this is the value. So I will copy the value. And the second one is CNAME. So this is the value, CNAME is type, and the name is www. So now we can go back to Spaceship and then name servers and DNS. Advanced DNS. Got it. And from here, if you already have existing or custom DNS records, you want to remove them because it's going to show you conflicting error. So I will remove my old custom records. And now you can click on add record. So the first one is A. A is the type, value is this, and name is this. And then click on add. So the first record is added. Now we can go and add the second one. So this is the value, CNAME and www. CNAME and name is www. This is the value. Click on add. Added, and now it shows it's in propagation. So we just need to wait for it to propagate. And then you're gonna see small check marks next to this icon, and that means it's connected. So you can go back to Netlify. You just need to wait. And as you can see, after I refreshed the site, it's green. So basically this means it's connected, but it still shows it's waiting for SSL certificate. So we just need to wait for this certificate, and then it's going to be secured. And also you can check Spaceship, but it's still showing it's in propagation. And now when you see those check marks, it means it's connected. So this is how you can connect your domain from Spaceship to Netlify. So as you can see, it's showing already my domain. And that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.